Hello and welcome to Sharp Smoker Electronic Cigarettes. In this video I want to talk briefly about the tank atomizer and the tank cartridges. This is one of the tank atomizers. You can see it's a little bit different from your standard atomizer. It doesn't have a metal bridge down in the atomizer. Instead it has a small metal probe which sticks into the hole on the tank cartridge. This is one of the tank cartridges here. You can see the small hole here that the probe sticks into in order to wick out the e-liquid inside. The tank cartridge has a tank inside the cartridge which holds the e-liquid. It doesn't use the fiber filling like the standard cartridges do. In order to fill the tank cartridges, as they do come empty, basically what you got to do is pop off the cap here on the end. And to do that, you can usually just use your fingernail. Sometimes if it's the first time, some of them are a little bit sticky to get off the first time. So you might have to use a little screwdriver or something to help pop it off. Just a screwdriver, something like that. But this one's pretty easy. So we just pop off the top there, and then you can see the tank area right inside here. And then basically all you got to do is grab an e-liquid and fill up your tank. This one right here, that for the Evolution X, it holds about 1 milliliter of e-liquid. So I'm just going to go ahead and fill it all the way up here. And then after that, you just simply pop your cap back on, and then you're ready to go. I use Zero. This one has no nicotine, so it has no color. It's basically just propylene glycol, so you can barely see it, but you can see the bubble in there from where there's a little bit of air left over. Then all you have to do is to use this is just stick this onto your atomizer, and you'll be ready to go. When you first get the tank cartridges, they come with a little plastic barrier, so even none of the e-liquid will drip out. Refilling them, if you don't like taking the top off, which is relatively easy to do and it's probably usually the best method, once it has the hole in here, you can actually just take your e-liquid and try to drip it into the hole. It can be rather tedious. If you choose to do it that way, it's usually best to just get a syringe. That way you can just get your e-liquid in the syringe and just stick the syringe in the hole and just fill it up that way. It makes it a lot easier and a lot quicker. So like I said, there's a couple of ways to refill them. Just pop off the top and refill it. Try to drip it in through the hole. Some of them are a little bit easier to do than others. Or the final way is just to get the syringe and just inject it straight into the tank cartridge. But 1 ml of e-liquid is a significant amount, and it should last the moderate to heavy vapor all day long. If you are an extreme vapor and you sit there and puff on it all day long, yeah, you might need 2 of these to get you through one day. But that's about it for the tank atomizer and the cartridges. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.